this one out.
Gonna bite my foot off. Alright, well, boat works. Surprisingly. Got it to run right away. Got it all set up. It's a maiden voyage. I'm out here with Elijah right now. Waiting for him to come down off the boat ramp. But other than that, this is what we're doing. Alright, me and Elijah doing the first maiden voyage pinch run on the bass boat. So
we wish you were here, Matt.
We wish you were here, Matt. Gonna try to catch some bluegill right now and hopefully catch some flatheads tonight. Should be good. Yep, and then goes up. Elijah figuring it out for me. Yeah.
Switch. Those rods are so tight.
Yep.
You're frozen.
Holy shit. There we are. Well, guess I need to figure out the live well right now.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just let you flop for a minute.
Here we go. That's just the normal one. This is probably not smart to do that. Live well works.
Nice. Good size too. You already cut one?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
You mean you haven't?
I just barely got my worm on.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.
Green one. That one? Yeah, there's a lot of bigger ones right there.
Oh, yeah.
They're deeper though. There you go, double header. Sweet. Take it. About to hit this rock and you know, it's all gonna be good. Aluminum and waves, you know, no big deal. Oh, yeah, there's a ton in here. That's a big one. Dude, there's a ton in there.
Nice.
Swallowed. That figures. Yep. Trying to see how bad. Pretty bad. Some bait. Yep, hopefully. Try to rewind and just cut it. Yeah. That's probably gonna be fun. Wave.
Keep these or no?
Yeah, I don't care. We can keep everything right now.
Eat.
Ah. Like that. A little bit better. They're in there thick. And I'm totally fine with a freaking bait like this because this is like what we were getting fish on. Like this and little tiny carp. Ah! Okay. I know. A little difficult if I turn this on. There's a bunch of them down there.
Right there?
Yeah. Not here. This is like one of the smaller ones.
Oh shit.
A little bit better. A little bit better.
Oh, your rod bent. I thought it was football on
This is like a little noodle rod. This is like my favorite bluegill rod. Thank you. Seem like they're doing okay. That's a little bit better one.
One. Nice.
That's
Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
warmouth. Another hybrid. A little bit better. He's gonna jump out. Alright, we can start releasing little guys.
Okay.
Like this size is no go. Alright. Didn't GoPro a ton, but got some. Elijah's hooked up.
Definitely a 3-pounder.
It is a massive bluegill. Right there.
They're in there.
We got 2 in here. So if he wants to shove it in there, if you know what I mean.
There we go.
I'm gonna throw it in here real quick. I don't know if you can see them really, but got them in there. Just gonna do a little water change. Watch Elijah. Elijah, keep missing them.
Some wormfish. They're hitting pretty good.
Yeah. We're going down.
Mom, I love you.
Alright, we need to go upriver. Get out of this wake. Go to no wake. Catch you guys up there. We're gonna go try to catch some carp real quick and then flathead fish. See you guys.
I haven't seen any really tunes go by or anything really. Catfish, you know.
Yeah.
That's the Flagstaff. You already had it set for Upriver? Huh? Or you had waypoints for Upriver?
Yeah, that's all his tracking. Still wet. Won't get on fucking plane. Perfect. Oh yeah. Alright, maybe we'll sit this one out.
Unofficial.
Jesus Christ. That was a little bigger waves than I thought.
Oh shit.
I know.
Just in case.
It wants to.
It's close.
Maybe it's this. Am I retarded? Watch, it's gonna turn on.
Was that the choke?
No, it's the kill switch.
Oh.
That's supposed to work when I turn it off, but it didn't die. Jake and I have Spent a couple hours figuring out the kill switch.
You want me to pull the basket up?
Oh. Probably. If they're even in there. Might help.
On back. What is that dragon?
About to go run out some nice little carp. Alright, probably anchor right at dark on the full moon.
Perfect.
Woo! There's our bait, minus the carp we just took out. Alright, just letting you guys know. Anchored up right now. Just hanging out, having a good time. It's nice and, nice and loose, so I'm blinding Elijah for you guys. I'll blind myself real quick. Alright, hopefully we catch some fish. Sorry for bugs, you gonna die.
We just got too deep in the conversation and we weren't focused.
I know.
Oh, this bluegill. This is the best bait ever. It's all about the bluegill.
Alright, Elijah's got a fish on right now. It's
Definitely a big carp.
it's a nice big carp.
Kind of a big deal in the fishing world out here in Arizona.
Hey, it looks like it might be a 20. Yeah, that's for sure a 20.
That's definitely a 35.
That's a 40 pounder.
I want
Put that down. 40 pounder.
I want
Put that
TD
down.
fishing, and I watch TD fishing
Here,
religiously.
get the rod down a little bit. Here. Nice. That's 20.
Thanks for running.
Ouch.
He's like, eat it, and I'm gonna sit.
I just got out for nothing.
Yeah,
Hey, that's
Nice.
20 all day long.
let me put it over here.
Why is there a bee out? That's weird.
Yeah, they're definitely not way too late.
I know. Let me get the scale out from here. Oh yeah.
Damn.
Called it.
20.
20.3?
Yep.
Sweet. He smells like crap. I know, he's got some cool marks on him. It's post-spawn. Looks like it's post-spawn healed because these are
Yeah.
pretty recent. But that's cool little fish.
Delete that sunset picture.
I know.
Well, at least you know we got to put more bluegills out because that's what we caught them on.
I know, yeah. Bluegill's a ticket. I think it's a nice little guy. I'm sure he doesn't flop off. Alright, you gonna put him in the waist sling and run another line out. 20 pounder. Woo! As you're bringing in a toad. Yeah. Christmas tree. Well, it's morning time and we caught that 120 pounder that Elijah caught. So at least we got to break in the boat a little bit, so can't complain with that. Ran good besides not being able to turn it off once. That was a little frustrating. But other than that, we're slowly packing up. It's pretty early, so it's 4th of July weekend, so we're trying to get out of here before all the craziness starts showing up. But that was it. Probably gonna release that fish potentially and then start heading home. Are you gonna keep that fish?
You want it? Oh, it's gone. Oh shit. Almost gone.
Oh. That side came off. I guess that was me. I was probably stupid and did that. Swing it through. foot off.
On the jig. I'm gonna get bit.
He's mean.
Lively.
Probably needed you up there. Yeah, that works.
Oh,
sweet. Okay. We got bloody knuckles. Mine are all girlied, undamaged. All right, sweet.